This is one of the few carrier Desertmasters in our house running right now. It's for this room up here, which is where my brother sleeps, except for right now we have relatives who are staying there. And yeah, this is the loudest unit in the house. It's pretty loud. I think most of the sound is from the fan. This one was made in Saudi Arabia, and I don't know what is this? Well, yeah, I'm not sure if this sound is from the compressor or the fan, but it's kind of vibrating a lot, and it's pretty loud. You can hear it from all the way on the other side. Although I think it was louder last time it was running. And then over here we have this ductless split. I don't know how you pronounce the name. I think it's Hook or Huke or something. And this is one of the 3 new air conditioners that we got recently. And I will film a separate video of it running. Right now I'm just focusing on this one here. So yeah, here it is. Desertmaster. You can feel the wind from here. The air is actually quite powerful. I guess that's the reason why it's so loud.